If your T-Mobile hotspot displays "Please wait" and becomes unresponsive, it likely indicates a firmware crash or hang during startup. This can happen due to interrupted updates, power issues, or conflicts with T-Mobile's network. The first steps to try are a simple reboot and a factory reset. To reboot, hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds until the device shuts down, then power it back on. If that doesn't work, perform a factory reset by using a paperclip to press the reset pinhole for about 10 seconds. Note that a reset will erase your custom settings and may require reactivation via the T-Mobile app. If rebooting and resetting don't resolve the issue, check for firmware updates via the T-Mobile app or the Hotspot's web interface, usually accessible at an IP address like 192.168.2.1. Keeping your device updated ensures you have the latest bug fixes. To prevent this issue, avoid interrupting firmware updates and ensure a stable power supply. T-Mobile is moving towards AI-assisted diagnostics to preempt crashes and cloud-based firmware recovery for remote fixes. Future devices will likely have modular hardware for easier repairs and better error handling algorithms.